Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now we'll look at the headlines. Goikar celebrate Anna's victory. Vijayotsav at Azad Maidan in spite of incessant rain. Youth participate in the victory rally in large numbers. Anna surpasses Mahatma Gandhi in Google search. Anna ahead by 1 crore 21 lakh search results. More than 4 lakh people like Anna on Facebook. Sources say chances of current government implementing Lokayukta bill very bleak due to procedures. Government can withdraw old bill in monsoon session. New bill to take time. Jose Philip demands shifting of ammonia tanks from Vasco. Demands either Daboli or Kortali for the NCP in alliance. Sports Authority of Goa dispersed 4,55,000 rupees to Paika Prize winners. Over 150 students felicitated on National Sports Day. And GE court a crore lesser than Bajaj for Nehru Stadium floodlighting job. SAG says work order could be released in a week's time. And now the news in detail. People rejoiced with patriotic slogans as they celebrated Anna's victory. Victory marches were held in various parts of the state on Monday. Despite the heavy rains, hundreds of citizens turned out to pay tribute to India's anti-corruption crusader.
This was the overwhelming display of support showed by hundreds of students to Anna Hazare's crusade against corruption. Students from Hedgewar High School, Progress High School, Kasturba Matoshri High School and Mustifund High School marched around the city to celebrate Anna Hazare's victory. Despite the inclement weather, students chanted and sang Anna's name all the way as they assembled at Azad Maidan. Some students recited poems opposing corruption.
पैशांसाठी भारतात केवढा मोठा हा दंगा भ्रष्टाचाराचा कोणच कसं त्याला दर्जा देत नाही शिष्टाचाराचा का म्हणून भारताचे पैसे त्या स्वीजमध्ये परत आणा आमच्या देशात आम्ही मिटवू ते मुद्दे.
Teachers and headmasters spoke at the meeting. Dinesh Waghela, who was a part of the historic movement at Ramlila Maidan at Delhi, shared his experience.
दिल्ली रामलीला मैदान में भी सुबह से शाम रात लाखों की संख्या में लोग आके खड़े रहते थे और रामलीला ग्राउंड कोई ऐसा पक्का ग्राउंड नहीं है, मट्टी कीचड़ कादव, तो लोगों के लिए कोई मायना ही नहीं रख रहा था. लोगों के लिए एक ही एम था कि कैसे इस देश के भविष्य को हम उज्जवल बनाएं, कैसे इस देश में आज जो कुछ हो रहा है वर्तमान परिस्थिति में परिवर्तन लाए.
Ex-Servicemen Association from Vasco, BJP Yuva Morcha and Vascoites organized a victory rally in the port town. Karatekas and their parents held a victory rally at Ponda on Sunday.
त्या खातीर आमी हो नारो चालूच दवरतले आनी हेजे पयलीं अण्णाक असो सपोर्ट करतले की फाल्यां सकाळी तेजे तें अहिंसेनूच जावपाक जाय, हिंसा करप उपकारना म्हणून आमी एक शांततायेन एक आयज रॅली काडिल्ली आहा.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Anna Hazare's movement surely experienced a social media blitzkrieg along with massive support from all corners of the society. May it be Facebook, Twitter or Orkut, Anna conquered all. Here are the figures accounted by some of the leading media houses in the nation on Anna's social media campaign.
The internet is abuzz with Anna Hazare's crusade against corruption. There are more than 4 lakh likes for Anna Hazare page on social networking site Facebook. By the time Anna Hazare was detained by the Delhi police on Tuesday, Over 500 pages were dedicated to the Gandhian and his anti-corruption campaign. Many people are in fact changing their profile pictures on Facebook to that of Anna Hazare's picture to show their unity with the cause. A random Google search on Anna Hazare returned 3 crore 54 lakh results in 0.11 seconds. If you track blogs, there are 38 lakh 60,000 results in 0.45 seconds. Sonia Gandhi gives you 9 lakh 10,000 results in 0.10 seconds, whereas Manmohan Singh gives you 2 crore 8 lakh results in 0.11 seconds. More importantly, Anna has taken over Mahatma Gandhi. The search on the father of the nation gives us 2 crore 33 lakh results in 0.11 seconds compared to Anna's 3 crore 54 lakh. And Anna has definitely mesmerized Twitterati. Some of the tweets have captured everyone's attention. Here are some. Anna Hazare wouldn't be fasting if our politicians didn't eat so much. When somebody is fighting corruption, I don't judge his ways. I applaud his intentions and actions. I am with Anna Hazare. Are you? If the people unite behind Anna Hazare as they united behind MS Dhoni, the war against corruption will be won. Do the maths. Anna Hazare plus lakhs of supporters minus corrupt politicians is equal to New India. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Chances of Lokayukta bill getting implemented in this government's tenure are bleak. Sources say that the old flawed bill can be withdrawn in the monsoon session of the assembly, but it wouldn't be possible to formulate a new bill within such a short time. Sources also say that the bill may see the light of day after the formation of the new government next year.
Goa Lokayukt bill is being discussed for the past 8 years. Lokayukt bill was placed in the assembly in 2003 when Manohar Parrikar was the CM. During the tenure of Digambar Kamath as CM, the bill was passed in the assembly on 27 April 2007. Later, the passed bill was sent to the governor for his assent on 11 August 2007. Governor referred this bill to the President of India as some of the articles from the bill were falling in the ambit of entry number 45 of the concurrent list 3 and 5th schedule of the Constitution. The Ministry of Law and Justice, however, raised certain observations related to clause number 19 of the bill. Similarly, Minister of Personnel and Grievances and Pensions, Department of Personnel and Training has made certain observations. Provision of Goa Lokayukta Act are not repugnant to the provision of Public Corruption Act and Delhi Special Police Establishment. Clause 18 of the Lokayukt Bill 2003 appears to be contrary to the provision of Section 22 of the RTI Act. Goa then decided to withdraw this bill and pass a new Lokayukta bill. Goa Assembly was given a notice on 29 March 2011. Assembly could not function in April as BJP boycotted the proceedings on the drug mafia issue. India Against Corruption Goa bloc has demanded that government should pass Lokayukt bill at the earliest. But sources claim that there is a bleak possibility of this bill getting passed in monsoon session of the Assembly. As per the rule, Assembly session should be held within 6 months. If the old bill is withdrawn, then government might not be able to pass the new bill in the same session. Looks like new Lokayukt bill might see light of the day with the formation of new government next year. A reporter from Panji, Basuri Desai.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.